Imagine waking up every morning, filled with unstoppable energy, driven by a purpose so strong that hesitation no longer exists. What if I told you that the secret to instant motivation isn't some external trick, but something already within you, hidden inside your subconscious mind? Your subconscious is more powerful than you can imagine. It controls your habits, your emotions, and yes, your motivation. But most people never learn how to use it. Right now, your subconscious is like a sleeping giant, waiting to be awakened. And once you tap into it, you'll be able to summon motivation on demand. No more procrastination. No more waiting for the right mood. So how do you do it? That's exactly what we're about to uncover. Most people believe motivation is something external, something they wait for. They think, I'll start when I feel ready, or I just need the right mood to get going. But here's the shocking truth. Motivation doesn't come first. Action does. Your subconscious mind is the engine behind every action you take. It's working 24/7, shaping your reality based on the thoughts and beliefs you feed it. Think of it like a vast, powerful computer, except you are the programmer. And every thought, every belief, is a command you're sending. If you tell yourself, I'm lazy, I'll never be motivated, guess what? Your subconscious makes it true. But if you learn how to reprogram it, you can become a person who takes action effortlessly without even thinking about it. This isn't just theory. It's a science-backed, time-tested method used by some of the world's most successful people. And in this video, we'll break it down step by step. To truly understand, we need to go deeper, starting with how your subconscious mind actually works. Think of your subconscious mind as a garden. Whatever you plant in it, positive or negative, grows. If you constantly tell yourself, I'm not motivated, that thought takes root and becomes your reality. But if you plant the right seeds, powerful affirmations and mental imagery, your subconscious will respond by creating an unstoppable drive within you. Joseph Murphy, the author of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, explains that your subconscious mind does not argue with you. It simply accepts what you believe to be true and acts on it. If you repeatedly think, I take action with ease, I am motivated, I am unstoppable, your subconscious makes it so. A perfect example of this comes from world-renowned tenor Enrico Caruso. Before going on stage, he would often be gripped with fear, unable to sing. But instead of giving in, he commanded his subconscious, saying, "The little me wants to stop me, but the big me will sing." Instantly, his subconscious obeyed, and he performed flawlessly. You have the same power. The key is knowing how to activate it. In the next section, we'll explore the science behind this, how your brain is wired for motivation, and how you can hack it to work in your favor. Motivation isn't magic, it's biology. Your brain is constantly processing information, and your subconscious mind plays a crucial role in whether you feel driven or drained. At the core of motivation is a neurotransmitter called dopamine, the brain's natural reward chemical. Every time you accomplish something, even something small, your brain releases dopamine, reinforcing that behavior. This is why checking off a task on your to-do list feels good. But here's where it gets interesting. Your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between real and imagined experiences. Studies in neuroscience show that when you vividly imagine an outcome, your brain fires the same neurons as if it were actually happening. This means you can trick your brain into feeling motivated before you even start. Try this. Before beginning a task, close your eyes and visualize yourself completing it. Feel the satisfaction of success. Your subconscious mind will release dopamine, making you want to take action. This is why top athletes, CEOs, and performers use mental rehearsal. They see themselves winning before they even step onto the field. In the next section, we'll take this even further, exploring specific subconscious techniques that can make motivation effortless. By now, you understand that motivation isn't something you wait for, it's something you create. But how do you make this automatic? The answer lies in reprogramming your subconscious mind using 3 powerful techniques. Number 1. The I am affirmation technique. Your subconscious mind accepts what you repeatedly tell it. Instead of saying, "I'm lazy" or "I hate work," rewire your inner dialogue with powerful affirmations. I am highly motivated. I take action with ease. I enjoy being productive. Repeat these phrases out loud every morning, and your subconscious will begin aligning your actions with your words. Number 2. The visualization method. Your subconscious cannot tell the difference between a real experience and an imagined one. So if you want to feel motivated, vividly picture yourself taking action. Close your eyes and imagine sitting at your desk, fully engaged, finishing a workout, feeling powerful, speaking confidently in a meeting. By doing this, your subconscious starts craving these experiences, making action feel natural. Number 3. The instant action rule. The final step? Train your subconscious to associate action with momentum. Instead of overthinking, adopt the 5-second rule. The moment you think about doing something, count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This bypasses hesitation and programs your subconscious to respond instantly. With these techniques, you're not just hoping for motivation, you're creating it. In the next section, we'll explore real-life examples of how people have used these methods to transform their lives. Throughout history, some of the most successful individuals have tapped into their subconscious minds to achieve incredible results. Let's look at how real people have used these techniques to fuel their motivation and transform their lives. Thomas Edison. Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, understood how the subconscious worked. He would plant questions in his mind before sleeping, trusting that his subconscious would deliver answers. When he woke up, he often had breakthrough ideas, a method now called sleep programming. You can do this too. Before bed, tell your subconscious what you want. Say, "Tomorrow, I will wake up full of energy and ready to take action." Your mind will act on that command. Muhammad Ali. Ali, one of the greatest boxers of all time, didn't just train his body, he trained his mind. He constantly repeated, "I am the greatest. I am unstoppable. I am a champion." And what happened? His subconscious made it a reality. If you speak it, you start to believe it. And once you believe it, you act on it. Jim Carrey. Before he became famous, Jim Carrey wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered. He carried it in his wallet and visualized earning that amount. Years later, he was paid exactly $10 million for his role in Dumb and Dumber. Your subconscious works the same way. Visualize your success every day, and your brain will start working toward it automatically. These aren't just stories. They're proof that when you control your subconscious, you control your destiny. In the next section, We'll discuss how you can apply these lessons to create lasting motivation in your own life. Motivation isn't something you experience once. It's something you cultivate every day. The key is to make subconscious programming part of your daily routine. Here's how to do it. Morning mind priming. The moment you wake up, your subconscious mind is in a highly suggestible state. Instead of reaching for your phone, take 5 minutes to program your day. Repeat powerful affirmations. I am focused, driven, and unstoppable. Visualize yourself taking action effortlessly. Feel the emotion of success before you even start. By doing this, you condition your subconscious to expect productivity and motivation. The 3-minute night reprogramming. At night, your mind replays your day and reinforces patterns. Use this to your advantage. Right before sleep, affirm, "Tomorrow I will wake up energized and ready to act." Picture yourself achieving your goals. Feel gratitude for the actions you took today. This reinforces positive momentum. The action-taking ritual. Your subconscious learns through repetition. To make motivation a habit, celebrate small wins. This triggers dopamine, reinforcing action. Surround yourself with positive influences. Your subconscious absorbs what you expose it to. Motivation isn't about luck or willpower. It's about training your subconscious mind to expect action until it becomes second nature. In the final chapter, we'll explore the bigger picture. How mastering your subconscious can transform every area of your life. Now that you know how to rewire your subconscious for motivation, imagine what else is possible. If you can control your motivation, you can control your entire reality. Every successful person, from inventors to world-class athletes, has mastered this one skill: training their subconscious mind to work for them, not against them. Your mind creates your future. The thoughts you plant in your subconscious today become the life you live tomorrow. If you constantly tell yourself, "I'm not motivated," or "I always procrastinate," your subconscious makes it true. But if you reprogram it with thoughts like, "I take action effortlessly," "Success is natural for me," "Every day I get better and stronger," then your subconscious will turn those beliefs into reality. Your mind controls more than motivation. Once you learn to harness your subconscious, you can use it for wealth. Program yourself to attract opportunities. Confidence. Condition yourself to be fearless. Health. Use visualization to enhance physical well-being. This is why some people effortlessly succeed while others struggle. The difference isn't luck or talent, it's subconscious conditioning. The ultimate challenge: take action today. You now have the blueprint to create instant motivation, but knowledge means nothing without action. So let's make a commitment. Tonight, visualize your success before bed. Tomorrow morning, start your day with affirmations. When you hesitate, use the 5-second rule. Do this for 1 week and watch how your energy, motivation, and productivity transform. Because the truth is, you're already programmed for greatness. Now, it's time to unlock it. So, the next time you feel unmotivated, remember this. You don't have to wait for motivation. It's already inside you. You just have to activate it. Your subconscious mind is always listening, always learning, always shaping your reality. You are in control. When you speak positive affirmations, your subconscious listens. When you visualize success, your brain believes it. When you take action, even in small steps, you create unstoppable momentum. Most people drift through life, letting their subconscious run on autopilot. But now, you know the truth. You can reprogram it, shape it, and use it to create the life you want. And here's your challenge. Start today. Use one technique from this video. Just one. Stick with it for a week and see the transformation begin. Comment below, "I control my mind," if you're ready to reprogram your subconscious for success. Because once you master your subconscious, there are no limits.